Welcome to White Shadow Fare, where I'm making it homemade and I'm making it with love. Today, I'm making a delicious lemon pound cake. Our ingredients are as follows: flour, baking powder, salt, sugar, butter, shortening, eggs, buttermilk, lemon, and vanilla extract. Start by zesting and juicing 2 lemons. Three cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and a half a teaspoon of salt. You're going to whisk that together and put that off to the side. In a separate bowl, you're going to add 3 cups of sugar, 1 cup of butter, and a half a cup of solid shortening. You're going to cream that together for 3 minutes. Now it's time to add 5 eggs. You're going to add each egg one at a time and mix for about 30 seconds in between each additional egg. Now it's time to stir in that lemon zest, and you're going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Add your lemon juice, which should be about a half a cup. To this mixture, you're going to add 1 cup of buttermilk. You're going to blend in your flour mixture. Make sure that you are just mixing this until all the flour is incorporated. You do not want to overmix cake batter or your cake will come out tough. You are going to grease and flour either a 13x9 pan or 2 loaf pans, and I chose to use parchment paper in mine. You're going to be baking this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 to 60 minutes. Everybody's oven is different, so make sure that you can insert a toothpick and that it comes out clean. I usually prefer to make my pound cakes in a bundt pan, but this makes too much batter for a bundt pan, so keep that in mind. Cool it on a rack after it has come out of the oven. You will notice that the top has a little bit of a crust to it. It's so tender on the inside, and it's got that little hint of lemon. It's not overpowering at all. It would go great with blueberries or strawberries on the side. I'd like to thank you for joining me here at White Shadow Fare. Consider subscribing if you haven't already done so, and giving me a thumbs up to let me know that you liked the video.